Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning to Excel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, again using AI, which talks about how to do forecasting in Excel using the inbuilt functionality presented by Microsoft. Now, what problem statement am I talking about? Without any ado, let's quickly jump into it. So, I have got the sales data for multiple days, multiple months in the following format, which is the day and the sales in rupees 1000. And here I have the data of 274 days, which is approximately roughly 9 months of data that I have from January to September. Now the ask is to convert it into something like this, wherein there is one portion which is the blue highlighted portion, which is the actuals, and then there is a red highlighted portion which is basically the forecast. Now why do you see three lines here? So basically this is the forecast, this is one confidence interval, and this is another confidence interval. So in forecasting there is a concept of accuracy. So in that you can have an accuracy level of one will be the most closest view, another will be what would be the estimate if it is slightly above or below the confidence interval, and the interval can be defined here, let's say 3%, 5%, so on and so forth. So how to quickly convert something like this, which is completely raw data, into something like this, which is quite insightful with values in a minute. So I think that is the challenge that is there. Now let's see how to do it. It's pretty simple. Just simply go to the base data, select the data, head over to the data tab. Inside the data tab, there is a functionality called forecast sheet. Just click on forecast sheet and your job is done. Of course, there are some more functionalities present here, wherein you can select, what is the forecast end date, what is the start date, etc. Here by default it defines the confidence interval at 95%, and we let it be because it's a decent percentage to have. Also, one more thing I would like to highlight here is the seasonality. So there are many industries like FMCG, fast moving consumer goods industries, wherein there is a seasonality. For example, ice cream sales increases in the summer months and it decreases in the winter months. So it is also capable of handling the seasonality. Let me give you a disclaimer. It does not handle seasonality 100%, but decently handles it to the accuracy of 70 to 80%. For more advanced accuracy, you require other tools rather than using Excel. So once we have this, we'll just click on create, and you see here this chart which I had shown you some time back is created with the data points here. Let me just, now you see the same chart has been recreated. The interesting part is you also have the values with you. So now if I go down, I will see that there are also forecasted values which are present. So if you see here, the first column is showing the actual sales, and that is present till 30th of September. And if I see the forecast sales, that is appearing starting 1st of October. Hope you like the video. Do consider sharing and subscribing if you like the video, and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you so much.